If you're looking for presets for your DaVinci Resolve, this video is just for you. This bundle works on free and studio version of DaVinci Resolve. It contains typography, transitions, effects, call to actions, and many more. Everything in this bundle are fully customizable, so you can adjust it to fit your branding. And the great part, this bundle is completely free. To get this bundle, go to videoeditorstudio.com, scroll down to the bottom of their page, click Free Starter Pack. Now enter your name and enter your email. Once you enter the required information, click Get Your Download and click Download. To install, right-click the zip folder and click Extract All and click Extract. Once the folder is extracted, open the folder, click the starter pack. Now, you need to install the required font first before you install the starter pack in order for its content to work. Open the fonts folder. You can just select all the fonts and then right-click and click Install. If these fonts are already installed on your system, just check this, do this for all current items and click No. So the fonts will not reinstall. You will just skip those installed fonts. Okay, once the fonts are installed, go back and open this free starter pack file. Okay, this is the installer. Once you double check it, open your DaVinci Resolve and then click install. Once done, restart DaVinci Resolve and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed the free starter pack for DaVinci Resolve. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Comment your thoughts below and more importantly, don't forget to subscribe.